Today, I want to talk about a GitHub repo that has taken the AI coding community completely by storm. It currently sits at over 70,000 stars, it has been forked more than 6,000 times, and it is being shared everywhere as some kind of magic fix for AI coding agents. It is called Karpathy Skills by Forest Chang on GitHub. And I want to give you the full picture today, because yes, there is real value here, but there is also a lot of hype that I think deserves some pushback. So let me break down both sides honestly.
Let's first talk about what this repo actually is. And I mean actually is, not the mythologized version that gets passed around on Twitter. The entire repo is a single markdown file. That's it. It's called Claude.md. It is 66 lines long and contains 4 behavioral guidelines for Claude Code. There is no code, no framework, no automation, no clever prompt engineering tricks, just a text file with 4 pieces of advice. And look, I want to be fair here. The 4 principles are genuinely solid. Let me walk you through them quickly. Principle 1. Think before coding. The agent should not silently guess what you want. If something is ambiguous, surface the ambiguity, state assumptions explicitly, and ask before charging ahead. Principle 2. Simplicity first. Write the minimum code that solves the problem. No speculative abstractions, no unsolicited flexibility or configurability, no over-engineering. The file literally says, if you write 200 lines and it could be 50, rewrite it. Principle 3. Surgical changes. Touch only what you must. Do not improve adjacent code, do not refactor things that are not broken, match existing style even if you would do it differently. Every changed line should trace directly to the user's request. Principle 4. Goal-driven execution. Transform tasks into verifiable goals, fix the bug, becomes write a test that reproduces the bug, then make it pass. Define success criteria upfront and loop until verified. Honestly, good advice, solid principles, nothing to argue with here.
But here's where I'm going to pump the brakes a little, because I think the discourse around this repo has slipped into something that deserves more scrutiny. Point 1. This is not Karpathy's file. The repo is derived from Karpathy's observations about LLM coding pitfalls. Karpathy himself did not write the Claude.md, did not publish this repo, and as far as I can tell, did not endorse it. The repo's own description says derived from Karpathy's observations. Attaching his name to it is a marketing move, and it worked spectacularly. 70,000 stars later. But let's be honest about what it is. Point 2. 70,000 stars for 66 lines of text is a signal worth examining. I'm not saying the file is bad. I'm saying the reaction to it tells us something about the current state of the AI developer community. We are so frustrated with how AI coding agents behave that a plain text file with 4 common sense guidelines gets treated like a breakthrough. That frustration is valid. But maybe the real story is not this file is amazing, maybe the real story is our tools are still not good enough. Point 3. Instructions in a markdown file are not a reliable solution. Here is the practical reality. Claude Code reads Claude.md at the start of a session, but whether the model actually follows every guideline in that file consistently across every task, every session is not guaranteed. LLM do not follow instructions the way a compiler follows syntax rules. They follow them probabilistically. On a complex, multi-step task, the model can and will drift from those instructions. You will still get over-engineered outputs. You will still get unsolicited refactors. A text file cannot patch model behavior as the weights level. Point 4. These principles are not new. Think before coding, keep it simple, make surgical changes, define success criteria. These are principles from software engineering. They are in clean code, they are in the pragmatic programmer, they are in every engineering onboarding doc at every serious company. The fact that we are celebrating them as insights in 2026 is a little telling. It suggests that a lot of people using AI coding tools have skipped the foundational engineering discipline that these principles come from. Point 5. Real problem is structural, not instructional. The reason AI coding agents over-engineer, make assumptions, and touch files they should not touch is not because they are missing a markdown file. It is because of how these models are trained, what they are rewarded for, and how agentic loops are designed. A Claude.md can nudge behavior at the margin, but it cannot fix root causes. For that, you need better model training, better tool design, and better evaluation frameworks. Those are harder problems than a 66-line text file cannot solve. Now, and I want to be clear here, none of that means you should ignore this file. I do think it is genuinely useful, just for more modest reasons than the hype suggests. If you are using Claude Code and you have not thought carefully about how you want the agent to behave, this file gives you a ready-made starting point. It is a good default. The 4 principles are well articulated and actionable. The line, "Would a senior engineer say this is overcomplicated?" If yes, simplify, is actually a great heuristic. It is also portable. If your tool gives you a place to inject system-level instructions, whether that is Claude Code, cursor rules, or any other agent configuration layer, you can carry the same philosophy over. The file is short enough to read it in 2 minutes and adapt in 5. And if it causes your agent to ask even one more clarifying question before going off and building an architecture you didn't ask for, then it has already saved you time. That is a real concrete benefit. But, and this is the point I want to leave you with, treat it as a useful heuristic layer, not a solution. The hard work of getting reliable AI-assisted development is still in front of us. It lives in a better evals, better tool design, tighter feedback loops, and frankly, developers sharpening their own engineering judgment instead of outsourcing it entirely to an agent.
For practical side, the setup is genuinely simple. For Claude Code, you can add it as a plugin via Marketplace. So first, you're gonna add the Marketplace. Next, you're gonna install the plugin. And you're going to be all set. Another way of installing it is downloading directly in your project. So you can just copy this link to download it in the project. Let's go ahead and exit out from the Claude Code. And then we can just paste that link. And now you can see that the Claude.md file got successfully downloaded into my project right here. Finally, if you already have Claude.md, you have to append Karpathy Claude.md rather than replacing it. So we also have a code snippet right here that appends the Claude.md, Karpathy Claude.md to your existing Claude.md. Let's go ahead and use that. And then you can see that now I technically have 2 Claude.mds, right? The Karpathy Claude.md got appended to the Claude.md that I just downloaded. Basically, you want to merge it with your project-specific instructions and not blow them away. This means that you can not only append it to Claude.md file, but if you're working with other coding agents, you can append it to your agents.md file or copilot instructions.md file. Also, it's worth mentioning that the file itself acknowledges these guidelines bias towards caution over speed. For trivial tasks, use judgment, and that's a responsible caveat that often gets lost in the hype.
So, my overall take, Forest Chang, Andrei Karpathy's skills is worth 5 minutes of your time. Drop it into your Claude Code setup, read the 4 principles, and see if it improves your workflow at the margin. It probably will, a little. But do not let 70,000 stars convince you that this is a paradigm shift. It is a well-written text file and with a solid engineering principles that should be common knowledge already. The real lesson here is less about the file and more about the gap it is trying to fill, and that gap is still very much open. I think this is a more honest framing than most of what you will read about this repo. But let me know in the comments what you think. Have you tried it? Did it actually change your agent's behavior in a meaningful way? I am genuinely curious.